Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Pets, and today in this video I'm talking about the levels that you feed your dog, specifically about how you weigh up how much to feed in certain meals. The reason I mention it is because we've had a lot of people message and saying my dog's not hungry in the morning, they're just not eating what they should, but then they're hungry in the evening. And think about it from your point of view. I'm assuming you don't have as big a breakfast as you do a dinner. One of the reasons for that is probably you're rushed off your feet and you're trying to get out the door. But another reason is you've been asleep. You haven't used up as many calories as you do during the day. Even if you're working from home and sitting down, you're using more calories than you do when you're asleep. So often we don't eat as much in the morning and we eat more in the evening because we've been walking around, chasing kids, chasing the dog, whatever you've been doing. And dogs are exactly the same. They've been asleep through the night and they might not need as many calories. So when we give a feeding guide to someone and say, feed, for example, like a 10 kilo dog, if you're feeding raw, feed 250 grams. That doesn't have to be 250 grams evenly split. It doesn't have to be 125 in the morning and 125 in the evening. It could be 100 and 150. You could catch me out on my maths soon. But basically what I'm saying is it doesn't have to be even. People get really, really worried about it. I understand you don't know whether you're doing the right thing. But in the morning, if they're not a dog that needs a massive breakfast, don't worry about it. Reduce it, and we try and get the calories and the nutrition into the dog over a period of time, not necessarily this, they have to have this here, have to have that there. It will vary from dog to dog. Your dog's individual, same as you are. So bear that in mind. If you want specific advice to your dog, as always, get in contact, send us a messenger. So Messenger works really, really well. Just get in contact, we can get back to you, or give us a bell, or come into the store, we're open. So yeah, come into the store and we can definitely help you. So yeah, see you soon, bye.